Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee, but only want new construction in one of the hottest neighborhoods in town? Today you're in luck. I'm right outside of one right now and we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. Okay, I am right outside a brand new custom beautiful home in the heart of one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Nashville. We're still in Green Hills. I've done a lot of videos in Green Hills lately, but we're in a different part of Green Hills today. We're on the east side. This is really close to Lipscomb University. Granny White Pike turns into 12th Avenue South, which is the Gulch area. Takes you all the way down into downtown Nashville as well. But you're far away from the congestion of Hillsborough Road, which is where Green Hills Mall is and all that stuff. You're close enough to it. It's easy to get to from here, but you don't have to go up and down that nasty traffic road every day here. And so that's where we are. So close to Lipscomb University, closer to Belmont University, that area, not too far from Oak Hill, which is another great area. And so I really like it convenience wise. You don't have to take the interstate to get downtown, but you're close enough to the interstate where you can get anywhere you need to go. This specific home is on a dead-end street right here, very quiet. And so I like it, how peaceful it is. There's actually a new home being built right beside it, and so that one looks beautiful as well. The other homes around here are, a little older. Some of them are nice, some of them aren't so nice, but they need to, the ones that aren't so nice are either going to be renovated or torn down, and homes like this are going to be built because just so many people want to be in this area and they're willing to pay for it. If this is the first time to my channel, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We are out here looking for custom, unique homes for you every single week. So if you like our content, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification and bell so you're notified every time we put out new content. We love doing this for you, so hopefully you enjoy it. Let's take a look at this house here. So I'm going to give you some of the specs of this house. 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 1 half bath, almost 6,000 square feet, 5,969 square feet. Beautiful interior. The designs are very well done. You have a turf backyard, which is cool. You don't have to maintain it, and a nice covered porch in the back, very peaceful back there. You have your owner's suite is on the first floor, and then all the other bedrooms, all the other 4 bedrooms are on the second floor. Nice office down on the first floor, and so I really like the layout. The kitchen's beautiful, a huge 3-car garage, tons of space in there. So I think you're gonna really like this one. I can't wait for you to see this one. So before we go inside this one, I'm gonna put my phone number and email right here. Book a one-on-one consultation with me. I would love to meet you face to face, hear what you're looking for here in Nashville. Doesn't matter what your budget is. It doesn't have to be in the multi-million-dollar range like this one. This one is, by the way, 3.495 million. Doesn't have to be your price range. Book a call with us today. We'd love to meet you. Let my team help you make a smooth transition from wherever you are in the world right here to Nashville, Tennessee. But let's go check this one out right now. Let's go. Outside place here with a fireplace. You have some turf right here. You got turf right over here, and then you got that retaining wall up here that it goes to. All right, what did you think about that beautiful home? Comment below, tell me what your favorite part of this home is. What do you think? Is it too much? Is it not enough? You want more for a 3.5 million? Is it perfect? Again, the location is a big part of why they will get this price here, but they did a great job. This was a build by Tudor builders. They did another great job here. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping you find your next home here in Nashville. So book a call with us today. I would love to see you on a Zoom call, meet you face to face, and just, help you find your next home here. We love finding people unique and custom properties like this one. So we're out here working for you every week. And yeah, so we hope to meet you one day, but have a good day, and I will see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.